Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable certain music in FC25. To enable or disable music tracks, go to Settings, then click on EA Sports Music, and here you can choose a track you want to disable or enable. You can also click on S on your keyboard to turn all of the tracks off or on. To approve, you need to click on Yes. Here, I'm gonna enable all of them. You can also hover over a track with your mouse and click on D to start or stop playing it. And this is all of my tracks library. Click on Escape to exit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.